We'll guide you through how to set Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So all you need to do is head to the top right of Edge and go and click on the three dots and go down and click on Settings, like so. Then all you need to do is come over to the left and go and click on Privacy, Search and Services. And on this page, you need to scroll right down to the bottom. There's quite a lot of stuff here, but scroll down and near the bottom of the services section is the option address bar and search. Go and click on it. Then all you need to do is find search engine used in the address bar. Come over to the right. As you can see, Bing is currently set, but we can click there and all you need to do is select Google, like so. You can then go and choose to search on new tabs. So I just use the search box, that's fine. Now, if I go and open up a new tab and I go and search for something, it's then going to go and use Google, as you can see. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.